Here is the summary of the story, The Making of a Scientist by Robert W. Peterson. Richard H. E. Bright, at the age of 22, stunned the scientific community with his innovative theory on cells. This article was published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. For Richard, this success started with butterflies. Richard E. Bright grew up in Reading, Pennsylvania. As an only child, E. Bright collected things like rocks, fossils, and butterflies to amuse himself. By second grade, E. Bright had collected all 25 species of butterflies found in Reading. E. Bright's interest in butterflies might have waned after the 8th grade had it not been for the book The Travels of Monarch X. The book charted the migration of monarch butterflies from the United States to Central America. At the end of the book, readers were invited to study butterflies and tag them for research. Inspired by the book, E. Bright decided to tag his own butterflies. However, the butterfly season in Reading was only 6 weeks, which made it difficult for E. Bright to tag many butterflies. So he decided to breed monarch butterflies in his basement. Then, in 7th grade, after losing in the county science fair, E. Bright learned that real science was about experiments rather than displays. His competitive spirit was kindled, and he wrote to the author of The Travels of Monarch X, Dr. Urquhart, for ideas. In 8th grade, E. Bright tried to show that a species of beetles was responsible for a viral disease afflicting the monarch caterpillar. Though his project didn't yield tangible results, E. Bright did win an award for effort. In 9th grade, he tested the theory of how viceroy butterflies copy monarch butterflies for their survival. This time he achieved success in the county science fair. In high school, he thought of a simple question that would have life-changing implications for his career. Richard and a fellow science student worked on a device which would provide the answer to this question. This project gave him a chance to work at Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. It also got him an entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. He continued working on this project, which won him the first prize at the International Fair and gave him a chance to work for the US Department of Agriculture. As a next step in the project, E. Bright grew cells from the monarch's wing to expand on his theory. Next summer, after completing his first year at Harvard University, Richard went back to the Department of Agriculture. He succeeded in identifying the hormone's chemical structure. Following this, he discovered how cells could read their DNA. Peterson states that if Richard manages to prove his theory, it will revolutionize the understanding of life and life's processes. While working on expanding this theory with his colleague James R. Wong, E. Bright also graduated from Harvard University. E. Bright, Peterson writes, not only is a gifted scholar, but also a debate champion, an all-round sportsperson, and an expert photographer. While competitive, Richard also believes in giving the best effort that he could. His scientific curiosity, coupled with an intelligent mind and a will to win, has given Richard every opportunity to become a brilliant scientist. Peterson believes this combination makes for an extraordinary scientist.